Yeah, so I got on the bus and then I had to get off to get onto the city bus to get down to my little bivvy where I'm staying there at a hostel. So you couldn't check in until 4, but you could check into, or you could just stay in the lobby. So I did, and worked on charging my phone, just hung out, snacked, talked to people, and then found out that they don't have a laundry there. I don't know why I thought they did, but so I asked some people where to go, went out there, hopped right back on the bus, came down here. You have to walk a little bit. Hey, I don't have a pack on, and I just feel like I'm flying down the street. So anyway, yeah, it's beautiful here. But it came a rain this afternoon, thunder and lightning. I was just real glad not to be in that. So yeah, I'm gonna get back, get checked in, go take a shower, put on some clean clothes, and I think, because I don't want to get back out and walk, I think I'll just order pizza and salad, which sounds real good. But anyway, okay, I'm having a great time, and I'm just so blessed to be here and to get to have this experience. So, all right, I'll check in with you later. Bye. I'm doing laundry. Drying the laundry now. There's my view from the little bus stop area that I'm at. Those low clouds. It's beautiful up here. Got my first resupply box. And the one from Kelsey's. All right. Yeehaw! Hello, everyone. Well, I've been in Breckenridge for a few days, and I haven't had a chance to take you around to where I'm staying. I'm staying at the Bivvy Hostel. It is a very nice place. I'm going to take you on a quick little tour. Here's my room. So we have a little sink area here. And the bathroom. Lots of hot water in there. Love that. And then there's 4 bunks. There's a top here. Bottom. Whoop. And here's mine down here. And then we have another top one. There's my backpack all ready to go tomorrow. I head out. And then we have a little deck area to come out and hang out with a beautiful view. I'll have to get I'll get a morning picture tomorrow. So yeah, it's real nice here. I'll do one in the morning so you can see it. Yeah, I've been busy. I've been here. This is my 3rd day. I was just going to stay 1 day, but my phone cord wasn't working and my battery charger. So I spent the whole day running around looking for a new battery pack, a new battery charger. And I finally found some at the Target, but I rode the little bus system around, which is really nice. I mean, it's really cool that they have that because it's free, but I was spending a bunch of time getting on and off the bus trying to get to the different places, so I finally just called an Uber by the end of the day. But I got everything I needed, and then today I did laundry, my last little bit of laundry, walked myself a good little ways to the UPS store to send home some stuff that I'm not using, offloaded some more weight out of my backpack, thanks to a guy that was staying here who loves to do little shakedowns, and he told me just some things I could get rid of. just mainly like little stuff sacks, and I could put things in Ziploc bags and free up some weight, and it did. It's really cool. People are so kind. I have just met the coolest people here. So I mailed some stuff home, went to the city market to get just some deodorant and toothpaste, and then of course I went to treat myself to some delicious gelato. I got a cheesecake and a lemon flavored, so it was very good. I was going to record, but this place is packed. I mean, there are tons of people here vacationing. It's a beautiful place. So I walked all the way back up, came in, ate some dinner, got planned up for tomorrow, and just hung out and called my kids. But yeah, this is a wonderful place. If you are ever, you do not have to be a hiker. You could just come here and stay at the Bivy Hostel. They also have one in Telluride, but it's clean, they're friendly, they serve breakfast. It's just been a fun place. I've enjoyed it. So yeah, but it's back on trail tomorrow, and I will be hiking for 7 days, 6.5 days, and I'll stop in Twin Lakes, and I have plans to stay there a couple days, just because the place that I rented made you have 2 nights, so that's fine. I'll do that, and I'll hang out and just enjoy myself. So yeah, I'll be back on trail in the morning after breakfast, after I get up and eat the delicious Bivy breakfast. I hope y'all have a great night, and I'll see you tomorrow.